Social media privacy settings? Check. Multi-factor authentication? Enabled. New email password? How about G0J @Y $G0? No one's guessing that. Creating passwords that are a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters is something you'll do as part of a digital self-checkup for your business. It's a good practice to give yourself a security checkup every once in a while. Think of it this way. You know it's a good idea to get checkups for your overall health, your teeth, and your eyesight. Well, same goes for digital security and fraud prevention. In this episode of From $1, presented by Interac, we're talking about why a periodic security self-checkup is just good business hygiene. Keep listening to learn about a free resource to help you get started. Sure, it'll take you a bit of time, but if it prevents you from falling victim to even one fraud attempt, it could save you a lot of trouble. So it's worth investing the time to do it. As for how to get started, don't worry, we've got you covered. If you visit interac.ca/$1 and go to Chapter 3, which is all about security for your business, you can download a free digital security self-assessment checklist for entrepreneurs. It gives you step-by-step instructions on how to protect yourself in 4 areas where you could be vulnerable. What are the 4 areas? Glad you asked. Number 1, social media. For a lot of entrepreneurs, you pretty much are your social media alter ego. And social media might be the main way you reach new customers. So the last thing you want to do is lose control over your accounts. Number 2, electronic devices like laptops and smartphones. Is anyone besides you using them? A contractor or a part-time employee, maybe? You've got to make sure you remain in control over the security of your electronic devices. 3, cloud data. Are you storing sensitive information about your business in the cloud? How about your customers' data? Our checklist shares a couple things you can do about it, including getting external advice. Last, and maybe the most important area to protect, your email and bank accounts. These 2 access points are really at the center of your digital existence, so it's essential to make sure you're doing everything you can, like updating your passwords and enabling multi-factor authentication to lock them down. There's no time like now to get started. Visit us today and download the checklist to take charge of your business's digital security. Read the full chapter to get related tips, like how to create a password that no one would ever guess, and how to use Interac products to help safeguard your business. That's the subject of our next episode. See you then.